Hello, please try this spreadsheet escape room and you may win $2,000. Well, as the creator of this spreadsheet room told me that it is for users, for any user, and they can go and win this escape room like in 10 minutes. But my time, my personal time, was 35 minutes. Well, that big, but really it's very simple. Maybe I've lost more time on discovering how this escape room was done. So you can just enter your email and go, and you can win prizes. You can see there are 3 prizes here. Okay, today I have a similar question for you. Why did I do last time? Why did I do that? Here it was 0, here it was 1, because new group Sam began, next group Max began also 1, and this one also led me to 1. This was blank because I don't have a value for here, and everything else was 0, and we done it with a formula. If you watched my previous video, you can see that it was quite hard, but there are few other formulas which lets you to do sequence like that. When each group starts, it will put 1. Okay, now we will use it, and I will try with scan function, and initial value will be I guess 1, because I want 1 for new group, and first word is always a new group. Next, array or range is the result was calculated in previous video. Next, lambda and initial and v. Ini and v is my variable names. And finally, the logics. Basic logic is if v equals empty text, give me nothing. If v equals to 1, just leave 1. Or if v equals 0, all other cases, add 1 to initial value, ini plus 1 or 1 plus ini, and that's it. But you see, my first value was 1, but it should be 0. It should be 0 here. So now I have 1 because it's only 1 Sam 1. If I change this to Sam 1, I will get, whoops, I should get 1 here and 2 here. And that's because of these zeros and ones. They are misleading now. I will change them too. Now you see, if this will be changed, this also will be changed, because this is like a semi-formula. And next we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 for Sam. Next for Max, 1, 2, 3, 4. For Liu, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each group will have its individual counter, and it's great. So now you see that the only key is this formula. So this formula should be calculated first. And I will give you the URL to my spreadsheet with all these formulas made like named functions. So you can find them in data, named functions, and reuse them. You will see this group counter. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next video.